Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In today's video, we are going to talk about two very important updates. The first update is going to be related to Indian Army's requirement of bulletproof jackets. And second update is going to be related to the delivery of S-400 defense system. As per the recent report published in Tribune, the Indian Army has projected a requirement of 50,000 new bulletproof jackets for its frontline troops. The procurement process for which is expected to commence in next couple of months. The Ministry of Defence is expected to issue a request for proposal to vendors in June, and the procurement will be done in the phases over 12 to 24 months period after all the modalities have been finalized and user trials concluded. The shortage of bulletproof jackets has been dogging Indian Army for many years, and the past procurement process as well as trials have generated controversies pertaining to sources as well as the quality. In 2019, there was shortage of nearly 353,755 bulletproof jackets, and procurement was not done for a very long time. A contract for procurement of 186,138 bulletproof jackets through capital route was concluded with a private firm in April 2018. In February 2021, Ministry of State of Defence informed Parliament that out of aforementioned order, 1 lakh bulletproof jackets have been received so far. Now, talking about the specification listed by Indian Army, it states that bulletproof jacket should be able to protect soldiers against 7.62 mm armor piercing rifle ammunition as well as hard steel core bullets fired from a distance of up to 10 meters. The bulletproof jacket is required for protection against armor piercing ammunition whose velocity is generally higher than other bullets and should weigh less than 10 kgs, while the weight of those meant to be used against steel core rounds should not exceed more than 8 kgs. The jacket's outer tactical waist should have capacity to carry 3 magazines of the newly inducted SIG 716 rifle and proposed AK-203 assault rifle, along with other items like hand grenade, handheld radio sets, tools, or attach additional pouches. Some Indian firms are also producing bulletproof jackets for armed forces as well as the police. Last month, DRDO claimed to have developed a light bulletproof jacket weighing around about 9 kg that met the qualitative requirement of Indian Army. The front hard armor panel jacket was tested at Terminal Ballistic Research Laboratory TBRL Chandigarh and met all the relevant BIS standards. According to DRDO, the importance of this vital development lies in the fact that each gram of bulletproof jacket weighs reduction is crucial in enhancing soldiers' comfort while ensuring their survivability. This technology reduces the weight of medium-sized bulletproof jacket from 10.4 kg to 9 kgs. Various specific material and processing technologies have been developed in the laboratory for this purpose. Now we'll talk about our second update, which is related to the S-400 missile system. An initial team of almost 100 officers and airmen are being trained in Russia at present to operate S-400 system, as India and Russia is eyeing to deliver the S-400 system by the end of this year. The S-400 system under production in Russia is already undergoing various trials that include high dust and testing in extreme weather conditions suiting the demand of Indian conditions of desert, plains and mountains. Besides, the groundwork related to its deployment in India has also started. Just like US, China has also objected Moscow on the sale of S-400 system and other weapons to India. But as per Dmitry Trenin, the director of Carnegie Moscow Center, Russia's relationship with India is unshakable. He further said that Russia will not allow itself to be dictated by any other country on the issues that are of major interest and include Indo-Russian armed relationship. The S-400 Triumph or SA-21 Growler is an anti-aircraft weapon system developed in 1990s by Russia's Almaz Center Design Bureau as an upgrade of S-300 family. In 2017, the S-400 was described by The Economist as the best air defense system currently made. It is capable of detecting targets at a speed of Mach 14. Its detection range is 600 kilometers. It can engage 60 targets simultaneously. The system response time is 9 to 10 seconds. It can target a wide range of aerial threats from fighter jets, strategic bombers, and AWACS. Russia claims that S-400 can even intercept ballistic missile with the velocity of 4,800 meters per second. The radar is also capable of locking and shooting down 5th generation stealth fighter like American F-35 Lightning II jets. One unit of S-400 system consists of 8 battalions. Each battalion of S-400 has 8 launchers and each launcher has 4 tubes. India and Russia has inked for $5.43 billion or 40,000 crore contract in October 2018 for the 5 units of S-400 defense system. Each battalion of S-400 has 8 launcher and each launcher has 4 tubes. India has ordered for 2 different types of missile with a range of 400 km and 250 km instead of 4. India will be using Akash and MRSAM air defense system for the aerial threats within the range of 25 to 90 kilometers. The S-400 Triumph coupled with Akash and MRSAM system will act as a 2-layered defense system. The S-400 system automatically picks up the most suitable missile to be launched at any incoming aerial threat. Its radar with primary acquisition 1 with a 600 km range can track hundreds of targets simultaneously. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.